Billy, let's go on an adventure today.
An adventure? Yes, that sounds wonderful.
Great, follow me.
Who are you? Why are you alone?
My mother is in the forest. She is sick. I got lost.
First, come inside, drink warm milk.
We cannot leave him alone.
We will take him to his mother ourselves. We will definitely take you to your mother.
Yes, definitely. We cannot leave him alone.
Stay close, Mech. This forest can be tricky.
But it's so beautiful.
He is, but keep your eyes open.
Don't worry, little one. I've got you.
Is he all right, Billa?
He's just tired. He's safe now.
He's so brave.
I'm scared.
I'm here. Don't worry. As long as we are together, nothing will happen. Step back! This is with us!
This is my home. I live here.
Oh, you poor thing. Wait, I'll bring some herbs that will help you feel better. We need to take care of everything here.
Yes, we'll go home tomorrow morning.
If you hadn't come, I might have died. Thank you so much.
Levy, I will miss you so much!
Place?
Yes, we will definitely come. What a lovely walk, Billy.
It is! Our house is just ahead.
I can't wait to get home.